Hey guys, my new kitten just learned how to wag a tail. She's never done it before, and she keeps doing it. She can't stop now.
Ivy, come out here.
Let me show you. It's really funny. See, just look. It's constantly wagging. Okay, it's not wagging. She just wants to prove me wrong. Whatever. I understand. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Oh, there she is.
Come on, let's go.
See, it's wagging. See, she's wagging as she walks. Now she's in my room.
Ivy, come here. Why did you wag your tail for us?
This is perfect. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess she's not going to be wagging her tail, but I have so much crap under my bed. Oh god. Ah, so precious. Oh.
Cowboy has this.
Squirrels.
Why does he have it on your feet?
I don't know. She's so precious though. Look at that face. She's a very dirty kitten though. It doesn't matter how much you clean her, she just like loves to jump back in and get dirty. Alright guys, that's all I got to show you, so have a nice evening. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and the subscribe button.